In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E all-in-one printer. This is a wireless printer. We can do copy, print and scan with this printer. So let's do the unboxing and then we will do the setup of the printer. Printer comes with the manual. Here we have the ink cartridges. Remove the plastic packaging. Plug in the power cable. Once you plug in the power cable, the printer will automatically switch on. Select your language, confirm, select country of residence and confirm it. It will ask you to go to setup website. Next step, we are going to install the setup ink cartridges and we are going to load the paper. Paper tray is at the bottom, so open it. Automatically it will display on the screen load paper. Adjust the size. Slide this top part so that it covers the paper tray. This is paper output. Next is to install the setup ink cartridges. Just wait for the instructions on the main screen. So paper is installed successfully. Open the front chamber. Lift this section up. Let's install the setup ink cartridges in this section. Start with the black. This side will go to the back side with the nozzles on the back, and that's the front side with the HP logo. So let's install the black. Slide it in. There is a spring at the back, so you have to push it to lock the ink cartridge. Next is yellow, magenta, and then the cyan. Close the top lid, press it down, automatically it will close, and close the front chamber. Press OK on the main screen. Next step is to do the alignment of the print heads. So click on the align. Paper tray is here. You have to scan the alignment page, open the lid, place the page facing down on this scanner bed, close it, go to the display panel and click on the scan icon. Printhead alignment is successful, press OK. It will ask you to return to the main screen and go to the HP website for further setup. We are not going to follow that. We are just going to set up the printer using this display panel. Click on the question mark. On the next screen it will say get HP software. We are clicking on exit. Setup is incomplete, that's what it says. We will again click on the exit. It will give you the option to select the date and time. You can select that and click on the continue. It will ask you to update your printer. Scroll up and then click on the next. You can select auto updates that are recommended, or you can use the notify and then click on the save. Thanks for choosing HP, press OK. You will see the main screen of the printer. You can start using it for copy, print and scan. Next step is we are going to do the wireless setup of the printer. We will connect it with the home or office wireless network. Click on the menu, scroll down and look for the settings option, that is here. Click on the network, select Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi setup wizard, start. It will give you the list of wireless networks. Select your Wi-Fi and then you have to enter the password. So click next, enter the password using the display panel and then click on the keypad button. Click on the submit to enter the password. Press OK for the confirmation. Printer is successfully connected to the network. Press OK. Click on the home screen. You will see the wireless light that was flashing here is stable. That means printer is connected to the home Wi-Fi network. Next step is to add this printer in a device. For wireless printing and scanning, you can use a smartphone, laptop or MacBook. I'm just going to use my smartphone. You have to download the HP Smart app from the App Store. To add the printer, you have to click on the plus button on the top. Select second option, already connected to network. Select HP OfficeJet Pro 9120E series. Instantly it will add up the printer, that is here. It may ask you to finish the setup, so you have to follow some steps here. Connected printing services, you can just decline or accept all of these. Press allow on the main screen. You can also join the HP Plus, or you can skip that. So right now I'm just going to do not activate, decline HP Plus. You can also join it, click continue. Joining the HP account will give you more options, like you can buy the instant ink and it comes with the 3 months of instant ink. But right now I'm just going to skip it. Do not enable ink delivery. So if you do not enable it, that means whenever the ink is running out, you have to buy yourself. If you want to enable it, automatically the HP will send you the ink. Skip the offer. So we have already installed the inks. Continue setup. select updates and apply. Let's print the welcome sheet and we'll check if our printer is working. So printer is working, congratulations. In the app it will ask you if you want to send link to other devices. You can send it or you can skip this step. Setup is complete. Click on the all done. Now you can see the estimated level of ink on the main screen and we can start using it for copy, print and scan. Let's do a print and scan. So I'm just going to print a document. So click on the print preview. Here you can scroll up, you can increase the number of copies, you can select the print quality, you can select two-sided, color option, everything is there. Once you do the settings, click on the print. So printer is working through the Wi-Fi. Let's do the scanning. So again we click on the done. You can use the scanner bed to scan the documents, IDs, passport. We just have to place it here. Go to the main screen, click on the scan icon. Printer scan. Here you can change some settings and then you can click on the scan icon. So that's fast. Instantly it has started to scan. Scan is transferred. You can select the full page and you can just click on the next. You can save it or you can share it from here. You can also use the EDF tray that is on the top. You can scan the multiple pages using it. So place the pages facing up. Once you load the document in the feeder tray, you will hear a sound on the printer. Now go to the main screen of the app. Again click on the scan and then click on the scan icon. Scan is transferred. And now we can save it or we can share it. You can scan number of pages from the EDF tray and just save it as a single PDF file. So I'm just going to save it again. So that's the way we can do the complete setup of the printer and we can start using it with our home or office Wi-Fi network using the HP Smart app and a smartphone. You can just follow it for any tablet or you can just use it with the laptop or MacBook. If you want to know how to do the setup with the MacBook or laptop or with the Chromebook, you can just watch my video on that. So that's the setup. Thanks for watching.